Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this issue in your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. So when you're trying to update your PC, it shows in here we couldn't complete the updates, undoing changes. So first, go over here, click on your Windows Start menu, look for Services, all right? Click on it. From here, you can either scroll down or simply hit W on your keyboard and look for Windows Update. So over here, Windows Update. So you can right click, all right? If it's running, you can right click and make sure that to select stop. So once you've done that, you can now minimize this, open up File Explorer, go to local disk C. Scroll down, go to Windows, scroll down and locate software distribution. So click on it. Make sure to delete everything that is inside this folder. Right click, delete. It might take a few seconds to a minute. Once done, go back to the services and select Windows Update again. Right click and make sure to hit start. Once done, close everything. You may also restart your PC right now and see if it works. Pretty much this method works for all users out there. So go ahead, do this fix, and you should now be good to go. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.